yesterday, and I'll give you a brief insight into the circumstances that have led to this recovery. On 30th of August, that is day before yesterday, a suspicious movement was observed by our troops along the line of control in Rampur sector. Seeing the suspicious movement, requisite action was taken by the troops on ground to strengthen our surveillance posture along the line of control. And let me tell you, the area is dense forest with nalas. Thereafter, no further movement was observed in the night. On 31st morning, our search parties were launched to search the area in which this movement was observed. After an intense search that lasted about 7 hours, a huge cache of arms and ammunition was recovered from the area. The major highlights of the recovery are: there are 5 AK series rifles, 6 pistols, 23 grenades, 2 radio sets, and more than 1,200 rounds of ammunition. Now, this recovery highlights that Pakistan is unrelenting in its efforts to pump in arms and ammunition to support terrorism in Kashmir. Own alert troops in the area have been able to defeat this attempt. And along with this recovery, another recovery was made in Bunyar sector, in which we have recovered 2 AK series of rifles, 1 pistol, 10 grenades, and 2 radio sets. So together, these recoveries constitute about 14 weapons and more than 1,300 rounds of ammunition.